In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to add ChatGPT bot in VIBER on Android or iPhone. Let's get started. First, launch your VIBER app. Make sure you have already logged in. You can use ChatGPT directly inside your VIBER chats without creating a separate account or switching to another app. At the bottom middle, you're going to find the option of ChatGPT. Click on that. Now from here, you can easily access ChatGPT. You can go ahead and type in your question or the prompt and send it. Within few seconds, you're going to get the results. Likewise, you can open conversation with any of your friends. Now type in @ChatGPT followed by a space and then enter your question or prompt. Then send the message. Within moments, ChatGPT will respond directly in the chat with the requested information, allowing everyone in the conversation to see the answer. This integration is perfect for getting quick information, settling debates in group chat, brainstorming ideas, translating text, or asking general questions without ever leaving VIBER. It makes conversations more interactive and productive by bringing AI assistance directly into your messaging experience. So that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.